Sh0t na obeto abono ama NDC aba power to bono. We are doing it and we are going to practice it.
Ebesi say ye kum nipa wo so ame na NDC nso ba power. Ebusuya we a very powerful words. We yen some NDC edi to dwa 2024 general election. Enti hu so mo kum nipa, ebu nipa, prepare nipa na enam die enti a efiri a eba. Ebusuya mo sa video si mbra na wi a ye ba be papa mu na ye di hu enkomo.
Sh0t na obeto abono ama NDC aba power to bono. We are doing it and we are going to practice it.
Nobody can beat us in unleashing violence.
We are prepared to sacrifice everything, including our lives.
Ediena ebeye nwenwa anase time say so ame so. Yesu ye kum nipa mienu kura na say bema NDC joma ma be di power. E was say hard. When you are going, you should prepare yourself. Wow, but men fan ko di NDC ni eji. NPP ni bi obeye bia ne sa ba na wo de be bono. Ama party na win power papa. Ya ye ever ready because we heard the lies of national executives ya you omo na. Omo shey nkura na say we are
doing 2024 general elections, the National Democratic Congress, the National Demonic Congress, the National Demonic Congress, NDC, National Demonic Congress, NDC for nema bebri wagana hasei. NDC for ka say omukum nipa se mkoko, omukum nipa se mponchi, se nwan na se NDC ene John Dramani Mahama ba power. Na omunya boni bia isan say e wo so omonso mba power by force enu nti 2024 general elections ye komunipa ye prepare nipa prepare ye enye ne ye ka wo NDC fo na kase num asem ebusuya ha Ghana nsem TV midin e the promise 2024 ne mesi wa Ghana ebusuya ebin sida His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ghana man penyini, Sambre no flag bearer, any former president, Ejina Simpie so ka say, eba etutu asem, se yenkum nipa, yantwe se kan fa ho nipa yam, yambo nipa tu mani wudia, etutu asem, party bien ho no ma, obetimi the National Democratic Congress, the National Demonic Congress, the NDC. Because ye wo mu efiri etutu asem, ye wo mu firi ewudie, yenkum nipa, yensa nipa, yenye nipa bone, sane mane ne ebo omo, ewu omo, eyi omo free ye, enu nti no mo de ye kohwe mo history dia, si yenkum nipa de ye, moja wo mo nsa no. Ebusuya, enti se nde, se won se nipa ewu oman ne mu a, enye obi a. Eyo mo nsa mo kan ye no, Nyakopon eye ma omo. Se ene won se ye to aba, e ma yetimi ko wuri, se elupre ekopon ekopem nipa ma ne bofom a, enye obi o. The National Demonic Congress, Omonsano Jumano, Ebenono. The National Demonic Congress, the NDC, Omonsano Jumano, Ebenono. So don't be surprised if someone who's anima we are at the National Demonic Congress, Omonsano Jumano Bina, we are the Unhuno. Partia, which may be a noka say, yes, you kubunipa, mienum yensa and I num 100 cra, not John Dramani Mama be presidenta, Bonibianim. Bro. And making sense to you as a normal human being? As you don't get to say, you already say, baby, be a yama ye power. Say, be communipa crana, you ready, you ready. Now, another person also was to Rebecca say, your party executive say you are mono, or my she crying say, see your communipa crana, on better yechi, ain't in Ushia NPP near, for dear body trim. Say Ushia NPP near, bonito kuno. Say Ushia NPP near, Canitito from. Isan say NDC sane ye pe and na mayen say yes NDC will power a more party say a more party way and I would actually as a youth now we Jimmy so you youth now this more party way here now we Jimmy party or say for their bo be trim for their bo be com for their bo be film say na be ya obewi ni aba power on kan kire so ba be ye school on kan kire say obe ya akwan on kan kire so oba abe free education on kan kire so oba abe one district one factory on kan kire so oba abe agenda 111 obe ma ambulances obe sports stadium obe ya akwan there be or say or no there o komunipa no dey abatumi because by force na was say by rook or crook NDC eba power enti so be komunipa mpo e dey aba power na was so kum e dey aba power. Na se wo disa party we echi as a normal human being na me ka so bodam na se wo so won tiasia na wo sa ni pa na jimi na wajimi. I'm telling you we a warning to every youth with the National Demonic Congress National Demonic Congress. Wow, ye youth with the National Demonic Congress no, and there's a doing the new patriotic party. It's answered the new patriotic party any party betting your the National Demonic Congress there ye demonic would for party mukumunipa party moja ayom sanoma party moja ayom sanoma the National Demonic Party Congress, sorry, National Demonic Congress, NDC, National. Just say umani munina demonic. Just say open moi. Just say fin ni ma fin ti omomua NDC. Any demonic no. And a Congress. Just say ya kan mo boom. Now obi a form Congress there. A would different from A to Z. John the man in to last. That's one I can you na make or say ba. Say ye only say violence. Say ye to trasema. Kaka try. They are number one. Obienti mi omo. That is what he said. The President of the Republic of Ghana. Enti ende enya wan say obeti si we yewu. Yes, then see what ha. Yabo we too. Ye we say enye obi a the NDC say basa niamana. They are experts. So who do you want to blame, me? Did I say something like that? No. I played the videos to you, and what say? And this is for that I can say ye kumuni pani ye wini na ye den. Ye never na meka omo ka. So my way is starting year juma. Na mo jime dodo. We no man starting enye juma. Na mo mfiri omachi, na mo beti the new patriotic party echi NPP on the betimi aboa mo, ono the betimi aboa mo, on the betimi aboa mo, mo bedi omachi. Na onfa mo nko bebi oso de mo ko, on the betimi abeboa mo. Ye tomo fo mu ntie, ye ka kira mo say youth no, we won ni bi papa bi ade ma mo be kum keke. Isan so bi o say se ono oyimu ma na ba kan hu, sankofo na kodi omachi. Oyi na ye aduma obeyesa. Mo mbra, mo meka ye ho, dem kan ye ho bubom. Na 2028 ya medi to me yefre wo difro we nsem. Tanse we mu omo ye mambofo omo ndwene temamufo no ho mombra beka ye ho ye na ebetimi abram enunti ena edin no they say the new patriotic party. We are patriotism ohwe ye moto you see development in freedom enunti na ba development ye develop Ghana no party bi ani ho intimacy National Demonic Congress NDC mo 2025 to 2027 ye nemo enema mo ka 2024 no ye de yiba na wa se dum ketia de onim na ye so be presidency na wo de wo krank ye send ye be see pull videos no Ghana for na kasa show makasa David obi otim kum nipa de kakai dentimi no me yentimi kura ebusu hanom ye Ghana Insem TV hanom Ghana Insem TV we rant with promise any de bre wo no